C'est la vidéo numéro 2, chers amis. La vidéo numéro 2 avec Alana. Everything is gonna be in English. Okay. But before we begin this amazing, wonderful, fabulous video, vous pouvez vous abonner à cette fabuleuse chaîne YouTube en cliquant sur le bouton rouge en bas à droite et récupérer votre kit complet pour vous mettre ou vous remettre à l'onglet. En cliquant sur le i de YouTube en haut à droite, vous avez aussi le lien dans la description et vous pouvez aussi le faire en cliquant sur le lien en haut si vous êtes sur Facebook. Alors, ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais mettre des mots-clés sur cette ardoise et Alana, elle va les répéter de temps en temps. Je ne peux pas tout noter, évidemment, ok, parce que ça va vite. Je vais lui poser une série de questions. Si vous n'avez pas vu la vidéo d'hier, franchement, faites-le, parce que je pense vraiment que c'est du contenu plus qu'intéressant pour vous permettre de vous améliorer en anglais. Vous avez le lien de la vidéo qui est juste en dessous. So, thank you again. Could you please introduce yourself in a few sentences, if this is okay for you?
Yes, I would love to. My name's Alana. I'm very excited to be here to
Likewise.
help you learn English.
Okay, Alana.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're from New York, right?
I'm from New York. I'm living in New York, yes.
South Carolina.
From South Carolina. I grew up in South Carolina, moved to New York, and living here now. And love it.
How long have you lived in New York?
I've lived in New York for 6 years.
Okay. So guys, listen to this one. How long? Oh my God, I do mistakes. Okay, how long have you lived in NY is New York? Okay, guys? Capitalized. How long have you lived in New York? Can you say it for us?
Yeah, how long have you lived in New York?
I've lived in New York for 6 years.
I have lived in New York for 6 years.
Right,
Great.
6 years, right?
Yes, 6 years.
Okay.
That's correct.
So, talking about New York, got a question for you.
Yes.
Why is New York so amazing in your opinion?
There are so many amazing things about New York, but what I love the most is the culture. So many shows and plays and musicals, and I love the people, and I love meeting people from all over the world.
Nice. Likewise. In your opinion is,
Yeah.
à ton avis, à votre avis in French. Can you say it for us?
In French?
No,
Oh.
in English.
In your opinion.
And in French, can you say it?
Oh, probably not, but
Just try if you don't mind.
attends, oui,
Yeah,
ah
ton
oui, attends, ah oui,
avis.
avis,
Yeah,
avis.
that's quite good because you don't pronounce the S, the final S.
I'm learning.
I wanted them
Mm-hmm.
to see you trying because
Yes.
people, they got like, you can get like all stressed out and you're like kind of blocked mentally, psychologically. It is hard for you to try to speak
Mhm.
English because you feel like, I'm ashamed, my accent is bad. You don't speak any word in French,
Mm-mm.
right? And you tried.
Yes,
And how did you feel?
it's very hard.
But are you still alive?
I'm still alive.
So you see, guys,
Yes.
and in front of, so maybe probably like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 people are going to see that.
Yes.
And she tried. You see that, guys? So I wanted to show you like a living proof
Yes.
of that it doesn't matter, basically.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Next question today is, have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I've been very lucky to be have gone to Europe. I was in London and in
It
Paris.
doesn't count.
It doesn't count. But I was in Paris with my my
It
friend.
counts.
Yes,
I'm so sorry.
my beautiful friend Mathilde, who I
It's
was,
French, basically.
who is French, and I would have had a very hard time without her. She was a wonderful guide. We saw so many amazing things, and so it was very good to be there with her, learning from someone in France about France, and it was amazing.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So you have two questions. First of all, can you say this sentence for us?
Yes. Have you been to Europe?
Okay. Have you ever been to Europe? Le ever permet, je sais plus où il est là. Il permet d'exprimer le fait de es-tu déjà allé? Ok, c'est pas already, c'est ever. Have you ever been to Europe? This is exactly the kind of question you want to learn by heart to be sure to know it, because this is extremely basic and you got the grammar right if you know this one.
Perfect.
You get the grammar right. Sorry for that. So, and you told us, like a few seconds ago, like she was a wonderful guy or guide?
Guide.
Okay, can you say it?
Yes. My friend Mathilde was a wonderful guide for us.
Guide. So listen up, because it's kind of tough for
Yeah.
us to understand. Not a guy, okay? A guide, okay? Because I know that some people can get confused. So un pote, and guide is a guide, okay? So please, can you say this first one for us?
Guy.
Guide, ok, donc un gars, mais ça se dit aussi quand je vous dis par exemple guys, ça veut dire les amis aussi ou les potes, mais c'est pas familier, ça peut s'employer vraiment couramment. Okay, for example, if I say okay, guys, let's go.
Right.
I mean that's quite okay.
Very common.
It's not disrespectful.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so vous voyez, c'est pas disrespectueux, j'allais dire irrespectueux. Okay, and guide is un guide, right. Mais faites bien attention, en fait, à cause de l'accent tonique, on n'entend qu'une partie ou faiblement la deuxième partie du mot. La seconde partie du mot. Ok. Another question for you. Do Americans work too much?
Yes, we work way too much.
Way too much, ça veut dire beaucoup trop. So you work a lot. Can I say that too?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. Vous m'avez pas vu effacer le tableau avec l'ardoise avec mes mains. Way too much is, a lot. But really a lot. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, way too much. Donc, beaucoup in French. Beaucoup trop. Got it? Okay, thank you very much. Next question is, what is your favorite American dish?
Well, I'm from South Carolina, and so my favorite
BBQ.
dish, barbecue.
Yes! Tout le sud des États-Unis. So this is like Alabama,
Yes.
South Carolina,
South Carolina, yes.
South Dakota. No,
North Carolina, Tennessee has
I'm saying,
amazing barbecue.
Forgot what I just said. It's
Yeah.
very stupid. You were saying Tennessee?
Tennessee has amazing barbecue. South Carolina, North Carolina. We have a rivalry with Texas.
You have?
Yes.
But I prefer South Carolina.
Oh,
They're
thank
better.
you for saying that.
I mean it.
So South Carolina barbecue, or Carolina barbecue in general, and Texas barbecue, sort of barbecue rivals.
Ok, nice. Barbecue. Alors là, vous apprenez un max en passant sur la culture, donc profitez-en. Barbecue rivals. Donc les rivaux au niveau du barbecue, vous avez compris en fait, entre le Texas et South Carolina. Caroline du Sud. Can you say it for us?
Barbecue rivals.
Rivals?
Rivals.
Rivals?
Rivals.
Rivals. Okay, guys? Barbecue is also like BBQ,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So, for example, BBQ sauce.
Yes.
So, barbecue is short form for barbecue, okay? BBQ. And you can say BBQ sauce, which is like loved in the US.
Yes.
Or cherished.
Yes.
Worshipped.
Yes.
BBQ sauce.
Yes.
Here we go. Ok, worshipped, c'est adorer. Au sens de quasiment comme un dieu, vous voyez. Mais évidemment, c'est une image. Last question. Do you speak any other language?
I do not speak any other languages, but I have a great desire to. Someday, it's on the bucket list.
French, of course.
French, of course.
Okay. I do not speak any other language yet.
Yet.
Donc le yet, c'est le encore, mais la question de manière générale, it would be this one. I do not speak any other language. Can you see it?
Oh, I do not speak any other languages.
Okay. Wonderful, amazing, awesome. That was really great.
Thank
you so much. So very often, because in France we have a weird tradition. We do stuff like that, like this.
Yes.
So for Americans,
Yes.
You don't do that.
No.
Right?
We
You're
do
gonna-
hugs.
or
this.
First time is this.
First time this,
and the
second
hug
time.
is okay. It's like that.
Mm-hmm.
So don't be afraid, because for us this is very close contact. Even
Yes.
though like Latin people and European, we don't touch each other that much.
Right.
For us to do that,
Right.
I mean,
Two.
a lot of physical
Right.
contact.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
But
Exactly.
it's very, very common in in America.
Yes, yeah. And I always have to remind myself for the two.
Yeah.
Yes.
I never know if this is left or right. I'm sure
Yes.
you know. And in some parts of France, this is 3 times.
Yeah.
And they get like really upset if you don't do 3 times and you do 2 times. And in some, even I think this is north of France, you have to do it like 4 times. So I'm so confused. So I'm sure you have any idea how to do it right. So please write it down below so I know better my own country.
Yes. I love it.
So hug, okay, hug. Et c'est pas hug, c'est hug.
Hug.
There's a H, ok. Littéralement, en fait, nous on traduit ça par faire un câlin, mais c'est pas ça en fait. C'est littéralement se prendre dans les bras pour se saluer, d'accord. And do you do it at work also?
Not often. If the person is very close,
Okay.
yes, but most of the time it's a handshake at work, hug for social.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you again. Would you like to add something?
Thank
Finish up.
you for having me. I'm excited to help you guys a little bit, and hopefully I'll be on my way to learning French soon.
I'm sure you will. Okay, your first words are going to be merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
But merci is thank you, and beaucoup.
A lot. I learned from
Yeah,
way
you know
too
this
much.
So beaucoup is like this. So you have a
Perfect.
P that you do not pronounce the P. I think you know this one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Merci beaucoup.
A lot.
A lot.
You're very much welcome.
Thank you.
Bye bye guys! And don't forget, si vous voulez vous abonner à cette fabuleuse, wonderful, amazing, fabulous YouTube channel. Okay. Je sais même plus en quelle langue je le dis. Vous cliquez sur le bouton rouge en bas à droite. Vous pouvez aussi récupérer votre kit complet pour vous mettre ou pour vous remettre à l'anglais en cliquant sur le i qui est en haut à droite. Et vous avez aussi le lien juste en bas, toujours sur YouTube. Si vous êtes sur Facebook, c'est simple. Le lien dans la description juste en haut. Talk to you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.